Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a debit card at an ATM, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick and secure activation. Step 1. Locate an ATM that belongs to your bank's network to avoid additional fees and ensure smooth activation. Step 2. Insert your new debit card into the ATM card slot with the chip or magnetic stripe facing the correct direction. Step 3. Follow the on-screen prompts and select your preferred language for the transaction. Step 4. Enter the temporary PIN provided by your bank or the PIN you set during card registration. Step 5. Look for the option to activate your card from the main menu. This may be labeled as Activate Card or First Time Use. Step 6. Confirm your personal information if requested, such as your date of birth or last four digits of your social security number. Step 7. Change your PIN to a new secure number that you'll remember but others cannot easily guess. Step 8. Complete a small transaction like checking your balance to verify activation. Your debit card is now active and ready for purchases and withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.